Where is the flour?
Here.
All right, if you're not yet. Okay, I'm gonna open my kitchen. Sorry, it's a little bit. Hello. I thought you're already ready with the dough. Okay, take your flour and put it on one place.
Masukin Nek? Iya, masukin.
Semuanya.
Iya, tadi semuanya tadi. Iya.
Here,
Yeah, and
and take a bit of salt.
what's that?
Salt. Bit of salt.
What is that? Sure. The salt, where is this is salt? This is salt. Apa salt?
Oh, garam deh.
Oh, garam.
Iya,
Okay.
garam.
Okay, here. Here.
Yep. Put on flour. Hurry up.
What? Seberapa banyak?
How much?
Too
Should
much?
say how. It's like a pinch of salt.
Oh, wait a minute. I didn't miss. Here already.
And 1 spoon of sugar.
Oh, yes.
Iya.
Salt.
Iya.
Spoon sugar, not salt, sugar.
Apa dia ini? Kamu tinggal dulu.
Sugar.
Here. Okay, done.
All right. And now I forgot to tell you, take 1 egg.
Oh, one egg. Oh, so cool.
Yep, and put inside.
Nice. So,
Masih.
okay. Next.
I'm just gonna ask you if you have like this. Do you have it at your home?
What's that?
It's yeast.
Pan?
Yeah. Do you have it?
Sering pan.
Apa itu biasanya?
It's yeast.
Oh,
Ragi.
oh, baterainya habis.
Oh no. Do you need to take charger?
Apa itu?
Sering pan.
Apa itu?
Gak tahu.
Ragi. It's ragi.
Oh, ragi.
Yes.
Lagi kan?
Oh, sebentar, Miss.
Okay.
Sebentar.
Ada the charger ini pas.
Yeah, take the charger.
Aku sekarang. Here.
Okay. Now take a small spoon, teaspoon.
Ini ada. Ini ada.
Okay. Wait, how I can open?
Nggak main.
So,
Do you need scissors? No. Okay.
Sendok.
Yeah, teaspoon or the small spoon.
okay.
Okay. When you put inside the bowl, do not touch the egg. Okay.
Why?
I don't know. That's what they said.
Like this?
Yes, only one.
Okay.
Do not touch the egg. No touch the egg.
Okay, I will do sugar.
Okay, that's good. Now I see that you have these, right? The spatula.
Feel I have this.
Now we are going to stir it.
The
As
sugar
far-
is
the-
enough.
What?
The sugar?
We already put the sugar, right?
No.
And 1 spoon of sugar.
1 spoon per sugar at before.
Yep, we put 1 spoon of sugar.
Okay. So mix.
Yep, mix it.
I
If it's sticky, give flour again.
kurang pa tepungnya, Miss.
What?
Tepungnya kurang gak, Miss?
If sticky or lengket, give a little bit flour.
Oh, lengket ya.
Oh, give me flour again. Give me flour. Oh wait, I forgot.
Apa?
Ini ada flour nggak? Ada tepung nggak lagi? Tepung tanganku.
Oh, tepung sebentar. Di mana deh?
Itu tepung.
Look like miscat, it's like a bowl, not sticky.
Nah, gede.
Tepung lagi. Ini gagal bro.
Nah, kebanyakan.
Bit by bit.
Kau taruh sini, ke sampingnya dulu. Nah, ya sudah. Diaduk-aduk. Nah.
Like this?
Dah.
Oh, that's so white. Okay, it's fine. Alright, so now if you have a place to work with, like this,
Oh ya,
Oh,
ini.
I have.
alright.
Maybe it's got the rolling maybe. So use this maybe?
Yeah, it's fine. Give a little bit flour here.
Oh, flour. Ya, terigu.
Oh, Jadi
Tepung.
kasih tepung kan?
Iya, biar nanti kita lengket nanti.
Like pinch.
Ratakan deh. Ratakan dulu supaya. Nah,
Okay, much. Alright. Now,
kurang Bu. Jadi Sandrina sudah ambil di situ tadi Bu.
yes, good Sandrina. Get it. And take the rolling pin. Make a circle. Try to make a circle. What's your name, sister or Mbak?
May. May.
May?
May.
May. Okay. Thank you, Mbak May, for helping.
But we did her name for date, right? Oh, Panji.
Tepung.
Top and blonde.
Pen. You
That's
are the student. You said pen.
Okay, wait, all of that.
Bentar, Miss.
Like this? Like this?
Okay, that's great. And give a little bit of oil. Like one
What is that?
Minyak.
oil.
Oh, oil. Pot.
Oh.
Nyalakan kompornya.
Yes. Not too big. The fire is only low.
Tapi katanya nggak boleh besar-besar apinya.
Oh, begitu aja.
Ya nanti aja. Tapi Wait, but the small fire?
Yes, it's small, very low.
Tidak ada apinya.
Yeah.
So what's next?
We wait until it's hot. Wait until the oil hot.
Wait, katanya ada bola apinya mendidih.
Oh, minyak itu panas.
Iya.
Yeah.
My hand is all dirty from the dough.
Wait, tambahin minyak sedikit aja kan?
The oil is on little.
Oh yeah, only a little, like 1 spoon.
The oil only little. Katanya ambilnya.
Oh,
So what's next?
Is it all hot already? Touch
The
it.
one.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Is it hot? Then take your pizza. Put in it. Put in the pan.
Katanya pizzanya di udah panas kah di situ?
Bilangin deh.
Oh wait. Almost fire.
No problem, no waiting. I can wait. Next, while we wait,
Saus deh.
take the tomato
Oh,
sauce.
itu dong sausnya. Ini sausnya.
Yeah.
Put,
I will wait.
Saus tomat.
Here.
yes, put in the bowl.
The bowl, but I don't like them.
A little bowl.
Tunggu dulu pas itu.
Saus.
A little bit tomato sauce. And then take salt, Sandrina.
It's salt. Salt itu tadi.
Only a pinch of salt.
Itu apa? Garam?
Iya, salt.
Garam ya? Sawit.
Salt is garam, right?
Right.
Sedikit.
A pinch, only a pinch.
Nah.
Like this.
Yes. And then pepper.
Apa?
Oh, ini ada.
A
Kurang
pinch
deh,
of
garamnya deh.
So like this.
Ya.
The salt.
Kurang. Gitu.
only a pinch.
Nah, dah. Ini.
Pepper.
Stir the tomato sauce.
Only for now. Like this.
Yep, that's the one. Pepper.
Timbangan.
But berapa banyak? How
How
much?
much?
How much?
Only a pinch.
Oh,
Pinch.
Oh, okay.
Tuh, masukin. Begitu.
Dan ada dikocok pakai sendok aja biasa.
Oh. Ini kali.
Like your spoon and
Ya, kali. Dibalik tuh.
like this.
Yes, and then stir. Go check your pizza because my pizza already brown.
Miss, adonannya dibalik kah?
Yes, check it if it's already brown.
Dibalik dia dibalik.
Sausage and half sausage.
I eating? Oh,
Belum.
Got it.
okay.
Oh,
I
dah.
will use this one.
Dan.
Wah, I will put my hand. No.
Remember the fire only small fire.
I just do school offline. That's so fun to see friends.
Nah,
It's so fun to see.
kecil-kecil. Tipis-tipis deh. Nah.
The cheese. Have you grated the cheese? Because I already grated.
What is that? Oh, cheese.
Oh,
Grate the
keju deh, parut deh.
Di mana kejunya? Oh,
Parut.
belum aku berapa pakai.
Oh, alah ini kejunya tuh. Lembek. Nih.
Alright.
Tunggu bawahnya.
Pizza is waiting. Let's
Beda. Yang satu
the
ada.
pizza one more time.
Itu tuh. Aduk. Oh, angkat saudara.
Sandrina, flip the pizza again.
Leave the pizza.
Diangkatkan saudara.
Enggak, dibalik lagi.
Oh, dibalik lagi.
Iya.
And put the tomato
Itu tuh.
sauce. Put the tomato sauce on the pizza. And then after tomato sauce, put the cheese on the pizza.
So what again?
Have you put the sauce, the tomato sauce? Put it.
Yeah.
And then the cheese.
Yeah. Here.
And then
The cheese.
sausage. Put on pizza.
Oh, tuh.
Look at my pizza here. Like that.
Oh.
Close.
Tunggu bentar. Whoa. Wait, put on the pizza. Put on the pizza. Like this, I don't make pizza. Looking back. Here, it's looking back.
Take a picture with you and with the pizza.
Here,
You
looking back.
yourself with your phone. Where's the pizza? Okay, send it to me, alright?
Alright, this is my phone. I just have number phone.
Okay, just send to you and then send to me. Okay, now we need
Ini deh ya.
the pizza. Try it first. Be careful.
Doesn't look like pizza. It look like
Oh my god.
oh yeah. One pie.
Yay.
Done it.
Okay then. So see you the class tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. I must wash my hands first.
Okay.